Good morning, guys. This is Alan here. And like I said, I'll be breaking down Euro USD from last night on the signal I sent. I drew this line here on my last video. And as you guys saw, I gave that a free signal for you guys on my YouTube in front of like 1,000 of you guys, which was this breaker I wanted to see used, right? After this high was taken out, there was downside liquidity I see resting underneath this, right? More so there's this order block right here with this low down here. So this was a more so of my main target was around 4.2, right? All right there, 9409. Do you guys see that? About 400. Yeah, right there, right underneath that. So about 4 big figure, 94 big figure, right? So like I said, I did not want to see price come back up here to take out this before midnight New York. So this entire time here, I was really happy that how price stayed here, building on liquidity here, allowing this to run up there during news and then run lower, right? So like I said, I sent the signal out. Many of my students caught it. And you guys could have caught it here as well, right? I gave this to you guys for absolutely free. All you guys had to do is just watch the video, watch me break down. This was my analysis, and there you go, right? So as you can see, price attacks this breaker here. I had a limit here for this entry. As soon as it comes into this, you drop on a lower time frame, right? Price comes back down, right? Attacks lower. As soon as it comes back down, price moves back up. Okay, as you can see, when price moves back up here, I got in another entry here. Okay, I wanted to see this I want to see price continue attack this low right here and even come down to fill or attack this low down here and TP us out. So if you see on my YouTube or on my Instagram, you see my first entry was around three big figure right here, 300, right here, 300. Gets me in, drops lower, continues rallying here. And I start getting another entry here, 1026, right there, 26. Get in there. It tacks lower. Okay, I'm not taking any partials out yet. I'm waiting. Okay, I already know where my target is. This is my first level partials, and it's my TP. As soon as price comes back up, third entry comes down, starts attacking lower, takes this out here, TPs me out. Okay, that's my first TP. If you check on my Instagram, on my story, you'll see it. My first TP gets hit right there, bang. Okay, price then attacks another time lower. I preemptively close my trade when it comes down here. Okay, like 480, I just close my trade like, hey, it's literally 8 pips from TP. I'm gonna close it, right? This seems like it's been a big reach underneath this already, right? Solid 10 pips underneath that low. So I maybe was expecting some retracement a little higher to get another re-entry to continue lower if it gave me that. But I took my trade out there, 480. You can see it on my Instagram. Booked all those 3 orders, right? But yeah, this is just a very simple way how I show you guys how I take my trades and how I'm able to scale in, right? So example, this 15-minute right here. You see this order block right there? Price comes down, comes back up into it, attacks this, right? Attacks this, goes right into the order block right there, breaks down lower. Okay, as you can see, this is where I told you my first re-entry, my second re-entry was at. First entry here, second re-entry, and this is the third entry I took right here, and then letting it attack lower. This third entry, my stop loss is not here. I adjusted my stop loss down to 10, basically above this high right here. So 320. That was my adjusted stop loss. So my new trade on this new position I took, this scaled in position, is a tighter stop loss. Okay, because I do not want to see it run up here. I'm basically scaling in another entry here. And when I scale in, I don't want to risk the original basically, look at this. This is an extra 60 pips of risk because I'm taking a re-entry. I'm basically saying my entry here is I want to see this order block respected. I'm allowing it to come up here, but I do not want to see it come up near this high, take out this high here. Does that make sense? Okay. So these are very simple ways in how I scale in my positions, right? So I look for a breakdown from basically a break of structure from that area. I want to see a reaction. Okay, I see a reaction here. It retraces, allowing me to get back in, scaling in here, then takes it all the way down here. This is my target here, right? As you can see, if you guys look at my Instagram, you guys can see exactly. I got in here, in this basically retracement, right? Stop loss was underneath, was up here again. And all I did was write it out here. Okay. As soon as it came down here, my TP hit, I was out on this position. Okay. My main position up here at 3026, I let it run all the way down to 480. This was my original position that I allowed to come down and book there. Okay, this was my stop loss here. Was at 107. Okay, 40 pip for about a 2% gain. You guys see that? Super solid trade. You know that most of you guys could have caught. Right? I sent this out way before. I set a limit there for you guys. So if you guys are just up or you guys saw my limit, you should definitely enter this trade. But that's wrap up today's video. We had a great trading week. I'm looking forward to for next week for my group as well. FOMC is next week, so definitely looking for a lot more moves. Right, if you guys are interested in joining my signals or the discussion group, right now I'm putting them both together for the price of one. So if you guys are interested in that, DM me on Instagram, and I'm more than happy to get back to you over the weekend. But yeah, that's wrap up today's video. Hope you guys had a great week. Good luck and good trading.